Computer programming languages are used to communicate instruction to a computer. They are based on certain syntactic and semantic rules which defines the meaning of each of the programming language constructs. Machine language. Machine and assembly languages are low level, require a programmer to manage explicit all of computer, audio, synchronatic features of data storage and operations. A machine language consists of the numeric codes for the operation that a particular computer can execute directly. The codes are strings of zeros and ones or binary digits, which are frequently converted both from and to hexadecimal base 16 for human view and modification. Machine language instructs typically use some bits to represent operations such as addition and some to represent operands and perhaps the location of the next instruction. Machine language is difficult to read and write since it does not resemble conventional mathematical notation or human language, and its codes vary from computer to computer. Example of machine languages starts with 00, 010, 1100. Either it should be starts with 0 or 1. Symbolic language developed by Grace Hopper, a mathematician for US Navy in 1950s. It uses symbols or mnemonics to represent machine language. A program called assembler is used to translate symbolic code into machine language. Assembly language designed assembly language is designed to be easily translated into machine language, although blocks of data may be referred to by name instead of by their machine code. Assembly language does not provide more sophisticated means of organization complex information. Like machine language, assembly language requires detailed knowledge of internal computer architecture. It is useful when such details are important, as in programming a computer to interact with peripheral devices like printer, scanner, storage devices, and so forth. They are also known as assembly level languages because they have to be assembled in the machine code. Example of symbolic languages are like these. High level language developed to improve program efficiency from symbolic languages to change focus from the computer to the problem being solved. They are portable to different computer. They still need to be converted to machine language in a process called compilation. Example BASIC, COBOL, Pascal, ADA, and C. Natural language. This includes the language that people speak in their daily lives. This can include English, Indian languages, Spanish, German, French, Italian, so many other languages. The idea is to use one's natural language to give the computer order. This has only limited use today. Building a program, writing and editing program. Use a text editor to write a program. When you are done, you have save your program to the disk known as a source file, and it will be input to the compiler. Compiling program translate source file into machine language made up of two separate programs, the processor and the translator. Processor read the source code and prepare it for the translator. While preparing the code, it scans for special commands. Processor directory that tells it to look for special code libraries, make substitution in the code, and other ways to prepare the codes for translation into machine language. The result of this processing is called as translation unit. Translator convert the translation unit into machine language. This code in machine language is called the object module. Linking program. High-level language has many subprograms, some of which are written in the program and some existing elsewhere and have to be attached to the program. Example IO processor. The linker assembles all of these functions into the final execution function. Program execution. Use the operating system commands run to load the program into primary memory and execute it. Loader. It is an OS program responsible for loading the program into the memory. Program reads data for processing either from the user or from a file. After the program process the data, it prepares the output, either the monitor or to a file. When the program is finalized, it tells the OS which removes the program from memory. The categories of languages: first one, procedure oriented language, object oriented language, functional language, declaration language, special language. Procedure language, a set of instructions that are executed one by one from beginning to end. A set of instructions that are executed one by one from beginning to end unless an instruction forces the control elsewhere, which instruction either manipulates data items or is a control execution. Example: Fortran, COBOL, Pascal, C, Ada. Fortran, formula translation, designed by a group of IBM engineers and was commercially available in 1957. First high level language. Features: high precious arithmetic, capability of handling complex number, exponential computer. COBOL. COBOL means Common Business Oriented Language. Designed by US Navy computer scientists. Designed to be used as a business programming language. Fast access to file and database. Fast updating of files and database. Large amount of generate reports. User friendly format output. Pascal. Invented by Nicholas Reith in 1871 in Zurich, Switzerland. Named after Blaise Pascal, the 17th century French mathematician and philosopher who invented the Pascaline calculator, designed to teach programming to novice by emphasize the structured programming approach. C. C language developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories. Originally designed for writing operating systems, later become popular among programs. C is also called as procedure oriented language. C is following top-down approach. Ada. Ada was named after August Ada Bryan, the daughter of Lord Bryan and the assistant of Charles Babbage, created by US Department of Defense to be a uniform language used by all Department of Defense contractors. Object-oriented language. Object are a data item. and the operation to be applied to them are tied together. Program first defines an object and the types of operations that can be applied to this object and can use this combination and invokes some or all of the operations defines to solve a problem. The objects are active. Example C++ and Java. C++ developed by Branch startup at Bell Laboratories uses classes to define general characteristics of similar objects and the operations that can be applied to them. Three principles: encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Encapsulation: the idea of hiding data and some operation that can be performed on the data inside the object. Inheritance: an object can inherit from another object. Polymorphism: you can define several operations with the same name that can do different things in related classes. Java, developed by Sun Microsystems, based on C and C++. A totally class-oriented program can be either an application or an applet. Application: standalone program. Applet: embedded in HTML language, stored on a server and run by a browser. Class library: collection of classes. Multi-threading: a thread is a sequence of actions executed one after the other. Java allows for multi-threading programming concept. Functional language: a program is considered a mathematical function. A function is a black box that maps a list of inputs to a list of outputs. It does the following: it defines a set of primitive functions that can be used by any programmer. It allows the programmer to combine primitive functions to create new functions. Advantage over procedural language: it encourages module programming, allow the programmer to make new functions or existing ones. Example: libs and schema. Libs and schema: list programming, designed by research at MIT in the early 1960s. Everything is considered as a list. Schema, version of libs developed by MIT in 1970s, defines set of primitive functions that solves problem. Declarative language or logic language use the principle of logic reasoning to answer queries based on formal logic defined by Greek mathematician and later developed into what is called first order predictive calculus. Logic reason is based on deduction. One problem: a program is specific to a particular domain because collecting all the facts into one program make it huge. Example: Prolog. Prolog, programming in language developed by a Calcumers in France in 1972. Program is made up of facts and rows. HTML per SQL. This is called a special language. HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. Pseudo language that includes mix that server as formatting ints and links and tags. HTML file is made up of text and tag. Tag, enclosed in two angle brackets, usually comes in pairs. Marks that are embedded into the text. It can have a list of attributes, each of which can be followed by one equal sign and value associated with the attribute. HTML file is stored on the server and can be downloaded by a browser. Browser removes the tags and interprets them as either formatting hints or links to other files. Allows you to embedded formatting instruction in the file itself or stored in the text. Two parts: head and body. Head, the first part of the content, the title of the page, and other parameters that the browser will use. Body, the actual content of a page, including the text and tags. Text is the actual info combined in a page. Tags define the appearance of the page. You can see the example of HTML program. Perl, practical extraction and reported language. High-level language with a syntax similar to the C language but more efficient. Its power is in its well-designed use of regular expressions that allow the programmer to parse a string of characters into the components and extract the needed into. Structured query language (SQL) used to answer queries about data. SQL is a language for specific the organism of data. Database organized with SQL are called relational because SQL provides the ability to query database for information that falls in a given relation. Overview. Types of language. We have studied machine, symbolic, high level, natural. Building of a program, writing, editing, compiling, linking. Categories of language. Procedural, object oriented, functional, declarative, special language.